Okay, this is the new future home of John Nord Designs, and I'm gonna move all my studio into this building. It's on my property. There's my big shop right there where I do my spurs and welding, and this will be my studio. And take you over here and show you what it is like on the inside. It's not much right now. I've had a renter in this, and I hope to make it a really neat studio. It's pretty big. It has a restroom and it has a big closet with shelves, and it has a little kitchenette, so a good place to clean up the pieces after they're soldered. And it just needs a lot of freshening up, some sealing and some hole patching and a new fresh paint job. But it's going to make a good shop. I'm going to build some benches all along these walls and put my island out here in the center and get this furniture out of here. And I'm going to have, hopefully in the late spring of 26, I hope to start having a few classes. Probably start off with stuff like soldering and buckle making and things like that. But anyway, I wanted to show you all this and show you what I've got going on here. I love this little house, and we're out in the country out here, and my shop's just a walk right there. Plenty of parking for a few students. So stick with me, and I will show you this place when it's done.